Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to make money teaching English online and how you can actually get started today. If you always wanted to have the freedom to work when and where you want, maybe you've heard of teaching English online but you're not sure how the process works, then this video is for you because I'm gonna go over the process and give you an overview, show you how it works and how you can successfully make money teaching English online. Now, how many of you are just hearing about teaching English online? If this is your first time, comment yes, and if not, comment no. I want to give you a perspective because teaching English online isn't actually new. People used to do this via Skype or Zoom, I believe. The only difference with this is that you had to find your own clients and you had to create the whole lesson plan. This model that I'm talking about today is a model that is done for you. Now let's hop into my computer. I want to do a screen share so I can show you what you can expect. I'm not gonna go too in depth because I just want to give you a general overview. As you can see, this website is from an educational company called GoGoKid, but they basically have the same model. So keep that in mind because all companies have a similar platform. Now it says teach English online and earn between 14 to 25 US dollars an hour. Let's move down to some of their offers. As you can see, they offer great pay. We saw that above. I do want to mention that the classes are 25 minutes. So the 14 to $25 an hour is equivalent to $7 to $12.50 per 25-minute class. So you can do the math there. The next thing is flexible scheduling. So you are your own boss, you're able to set your own schedule, and easy preparation. They provide all the lesson planning so you don't have to. And as we move down, we can learn more about the company and what they do, which in a nutshell is that they offer one-on-one lessons based on the USA state standards and the Chinese standard curriculum through virtual classes, which can be done on your laptop anywhere in the world. You can read some more testimonials as you read down from the teachers. And if you want to sign up, I do have the information in the description box. Now I'm curious, are you going to apply? If you are, comment yes. Now let's go into some of the requirements that you'll need in order to teach English online. Most ESL company or English as a second language company require you to be a native English speaker. And what that really means is that you speak English fluently. English is either your first language or it is your primary language. Number 2, you must have a bachelor's degree. Not all companies require that, but if they do, you can have a bachelor's in any field. Number 3 is you must have a teaching certification. As of August 2019, the Chinese government is now requiring all teachers to have some kind of teaching certification, either a TEFL or a TESOL. As I said, not all companies require this, so check the description box for more information. The 4th option is for you to have teaching experience. And what that really means is that you have either taught students, maybe you've taught adults, maybe you've done babysitting before, maybe you've interacted with children. That one is pretty general. You can basically have teaching experience if you have nieces and nephews, but they just want to know that you have experience dealing with children. Finally, I want to talk about some of the equipment that you'll probably need to teach English online. And the most important one obviously is a computer or a laptop. Now, not all companies require you to have a laptop, but some may require you to have either a computer because their platform will only work on a computer, and some allow you to work on your phone or your tablet. So check out that description box below for that information. Now, what opportunity can this offer you? Teaching English online is not just financial freedom, it is location freedom. For me, it's offering me the opportunity to travel. I basically live the laptop lifestyle, I'm traveling, and I'm living the digital nomad life because I'm able to teach English online. And if you don't know about my story, I'm actually a nurse grad. I graduated from nursing school, thought I was going to be a nurse, and then realized that, okay, I can't pass my nursing board, what am I going to do with my degree? And there was nothing that I could do beside medicine with my degree. Then I found teaching English online, and it's offering me the opportunity to make as much money as a nurse if I want to, and be able to travel and work when and where I want. Take this opportunity and look what you can do with it. Maybe you want to create financial freedom. You can probably take this, use it as a side income, and invest the money that you're making into stocks. Maybe you can get stocks that pay you on a quarterly basis, and here you go, you have financial freedom. That's possible. Maybe you're doing it because you want the freedom of your time. You really want to work from home and be able to work when and where you want and avoid that traffic, Comment down below if you hate traffic. But yeah, you can do that. I just want to show you that it is possible because I'm living it. So this is teaching English online in a nutshell. And I think it's an amazing opportunity to take advantage of, especially in this day and age where everything is going digital. You know, teaching is actually becoming virtual. There's so many online courses now, online education, so take advantage of that. Take advantage of the fact that you speak English, a language that so many people all over the world are trying to learn. If you're ready to make money teaching English online, click the link in the description box so you can get started. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps my channel. And let me know in the comment box which type of freedom you're most excited about. And be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification. I release videos every single Monday, so you don't want to miss it. And if you know someone who you think would benefit from watching this, make sure you share this video with them. If you want to connect with me on social media, my handles are Christina Clesca, both on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.